Are you ready to discover a hidden goldmine of profitable print-on-demand niche ideas that can explode your income and help you build the business empire of your dreams? We're talking about untapped markets, exclusive products, and niches that could have you raking in cash while you sleep. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just diving into the make money online game, I've got more than 75 niche ideas that you probably haven't even thought of. These aren't your run-of-the-mill designs. These are profit-packed opportunities that can seriously level up your pod hustle. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a treasure chest of fresh ideas that could turn into a steady stream of income. Let's jump in. 1. Space Exploration Nerd Gear. Potential profit, $9,000 or more per month. With space tourism becoming a reality, the space nerd niche is hotter than ever. Go all in with designs that celebrate upcoming missions, famous astronauts, or NASA-inspired merch. The more niche-specific and out-of-this-world your designs, the more potential you have to skyrocket your sales. 2. Astrology and Zodiac merch. Potential profit, $8,000 or more per month. Astrology is a timeless niche, but if you get ultra-specific with your designs, you could tap into a loyal following. Consider combining personalized birth charts with trendy art styles, or creating apparel for each zodiac sign paired with personality traits. Think cosmic, think mystical, think massive profits. 3. Minimalist adventure gear. Potential profit, $7,500 or more per month. Minimalist design with an outdoorsy vibe is an untapped niche. Go beyond just nature-themed and dive deep into specific adventure hobbies, like rock climbing, wild swimming, or bushcraft. By catering to these subcultures, you're targeting passionate groups who love showing off their lifestyle. Number 4. Quirky plant parent apparel. Potential profit, $6,000 or more per month. Houseplant enthusiasts are another niche that's absolutely booming. But the secret sauce? Niche it down. Create designs that celebrate specific rare plant species, or offer funny, quirky plant puns. Trust me, the plant parent community is ready to drop some serious cash on this. Number 5. Mental health awareness merchandise. Potential profit, $10,000 or more per month. Mental health awareness is a growing movement, and supporting it with thoughtful, inspirational designs can lead to huge profits. Think beyond generic slogans. Use unique, encouraging quotes or abstract art that resonates with mental health advocacy. The community vibe here is strong, and people love to support businesses with a cause. Number 6. Pet obsession tees. Potential profit, $5,000 or more per month. From dog lovers to cat aficionados, pet-themed clothing is booming. But here's where the real gold lies. Focus on specific breeds or rare pets like reptiles, birds, or even sugar gliders. Offering custom designs based on pet photos can make you stand out, and people are more than willing to shell out extra cash to show off their unique companions. 7. Specialty fitness apparel. Potential profit, $12,000 or more per month. Everyone loves fitness gear, but you can really stand out by targeting specific workouts like CrossFit, aerial yoga, or even underwater cycling. These are growing communities that want merch that speaks to their unique lifestyle. Offer designs that show off their fitness passions and you'll build a loyal customer base. 8. Eco-warrior tees. Potential profit, $7,000 or more per month. Sustainability is more than a trend, it's a movement. Focus on designs that advocate for eco-friendly living, but niche it down to specific areas like zero-waste lifestyles or plastic-free oceans. These designs appeal to conscious consumers, and they'll gladly spend extra for a product that aligns with their values. 9. Geographical pride apparel. Potential profit, $9,500 or more per month. People love repping their hometowns or favorite travel destinations, but go beyond cities and states. Niche down to small towns, local landmarks, or even regional slang. People have a deep connection to their roots and are eager to wear it on their sleeves, literally. 10. Gamer gear for specific games. Potential profit, $15,000 or more per month. Gaming merch is big, but it's even better when it's niche. Focus on cult games or fan-favorite indie titles where competition is lower, but the fan base is just as passionate. Bonus points if you get creative with inside jokes from the games that only hardcore fans will get. 11. Vintage video game merch. Potential profit, $10,000 or more per month. Retro gaming is having a major resurgence, and fans are eager for gear that throws it back to the 80s and 90s. Super niche down to specific game consoles or games, and you'll tap into a lucrative market. Nostalgia is a powerful tool. 12. Custom travel map art. Potential profit, $6,500 or more per month. Create personalized travel maps where customers can mark off where they've been or where they're going next. You can focus on specific regions like Southeast Asia or Europe, or adventure-specific trips like hiking routes. These personalized items create emotional connections and major profits. 13. Boho witchy vibes. Potential profit, $8,500 or more per month. Bohemian styles mixed with witchy elements, think crystals, tarot cards, and lunar cycles, are a massive trend. Combine both aesthetics to target a niche market looking for something mystical yet stylish. 14. Scuba diver designs. Potential profit $9,000 or more per month. Scuba diving enthusiasts are passionate about their underwater adventures and they're willing to pay for cool designs that reflect their hobby. Focus on unique ocean creatures or deep-sea exploration for an audience that loves diving deep. 15. Personalized sports gear for amateur leagues. Potential profit, $12,000 or more per month. Parents and players in amateur sports leagues are always looking for customized team gear. Instead of focusing on pro teams, niche down to little leagues or local sports clubs and offer them unique designs or personalized team merch. This is an incredibly loyal market. 16. Cosplay accessories. Potential profit $11,000 or more per month. The cosplay community is a massive market, and they are always on the lookout for unique accessories to complete their costumes. Focus on niche characters from cult favorite movies or series. Fans are willing to pay top dollar for the perfect accessory. 17. Motivational quote merch, but make it niche. Potential profit, $6,000 or more per month. Yes, motivational quotes are everywhere, but niche it down by targeting specific professions, like nurses, teachers, or entrepreneurs, or communities like fitness enthusiasts or book lovers. The more specific you get, the more likely you'll build a dedicated customer base. 18. Tattoo-inspired art tees. Potential profit, $8,000 or more per month. Tattoo art is always in style, but you can niche down by focusing on specific tattoo styles, like Japanese, traditional, or neo-traditional. These designs have a cult following and the potential to become incredibly popular in the POD space. 19. Pirate-themed merch. Potential profit, $7,000 or more per month. Who doesn't love a good pirate theme? Whether it's for historical enthusiasts, Renaissance fair fans, or just pirate lovers in general, this is a super niche idea that can lead to high engagement and unique designs. 20. Dungeons & Dragons accessories. Potential profit $9,000 or more per month. The D&D community is passionate and there's a lot of potential in creating custom designs based on the game. Focus on dice bags, character sheets, or even fantasy-themed tees. This market is willing to spend big to enhance their gameplay experience. 21. Fishing enthusiast gear. Potential profit $6,000 or more per month. Targeting fishing fans with designs featuring specific fish species or local fishing hotspots can reel in a lot of cash. People who are passionate about fishing love showing off their favorite hobby. 22. Mindfulness and meditation designs. Potential profit $7,500 or more per month. Create products that inspire peace, mindfulness, and a Zen state of mind. Niche down to focus on specific yoga types, meditation practices, or even mantras. This peaceful niche has a lot of financial potential. 23. Mythical creature merch. Potential profit $10,000 or more per month. Think outside the box with mythical creatures like phoenixes, dragons, or griffins. These designs can cater to fantasy lovers, role-playing gamers, and those who enjoy unique mythical art. 24. Steampunk adventure apparel. Potential profit $11,000 or more per month. Steampunk is a fusion of Victorian aesthetics and science fiction, creating a unique space where fashion, history, and fantasy collide. There's a dedicated niche of enthusiasts who love gear, goggles, and all things mechanically inspired. Focus on creating vintage-inspired t-shirts or accessories for the steampunk community. There's huge potential here for unique POD designs. 25. Digital nomad gear. Potential profit $8,500 or more per month. The rise of the digital nomad lifestyle has opened up a whole new world of opportunity. Create print-on-demand products that speak directly to location-independent entrepreneurs, travel bloggers, or remote workers. Custom travel bags, motivational tees, and digital tools can cater to this fast-growing group. 26. Celestial jewelry and accessories. Potential profit $6,000 or more per month. The celestial trend is growing in popularity, combining stars, planets, and galaxies into designs that are not only aesthetic but also speak to a deeper, almost spiritual connection to the universe. Design moon phase necklaces, starry night accessories, or planet-themed apparel to target this niche. 27. Historical reenactment apparel. Potential profit $9,000 or more per month. History buffs and reenactors are always on the lookout for historically accurate and unique merchandise. This could be a fantastic opportunity to create custom armor designs, medieval-inspired tunics, or ancient civilization-themed items. The key is to focus on specific time periods or even battle reenactments that are less commonly catered to. 28. Luxury minimalist fashion. Potential profit $15,000 or more per month. Luxury doesn't always have to mean excess. The minimalist luxury market is booming, with consumers willing to invest in high-quality, understated pieces. Think elegant, simple designs with a focus on premium materials or sustainable, eco-conscious fashion, and you've got a recipe for success. 29. Bike enthusiast designs, potential profit $7,500 per month. The cycling community is always on the lookout for gear that showcases their love for two wheels. But don't just stick with the basics "I love biking" designs. Focus on more specific cycling subcultures like mountain biking, road racing, or touring. Custom jerseys, water bottles, and bike accessories could be big sellers here. 30. Self-care and wellness apparel. Potential profit $9,000 per month. As wellness culture grows, so does the demand for products that promote self-care. This niche has so many opportunities, from aromatherapy to journaling. Consider creating merchandise that encourages people to practice mindfulness and look after their mental and physical well-being. 31. Upcycled fashion for the eco-conscious. Potential profit $8,000 or more per month. Eco-friendly fashion is more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle. Focus on upcycled materials or vintage clothing and give them a fresh, modern twist. Designs that promote sustainability, zero-waste fashion, or eco-conscious messaging could see massive success in today's environmentally aware market. 32. Luxury skincare and beauty accessories. Potential profit $10,500 or more per month. Women and men are constantly seeking ways to elevate their skincare routines. Combine high-end designs with beauty essentials, like custom makeup bags, personalized skincare bottles, or luxury hand towels. The beauty industry never sleeps, and neither should your profits. 33. Cryptocurrency and blockchain-themed merch. Potential profit $12,000 or more per month. As cryptocurrencies continue to rise in popularity, there's an emerging market for themed merchandise. Design Bitcoin-inspired clothing, blockchain tech accessories, or even NFT artwork for enthusiasts who want to showcase their crypto passion. This market is tech-savvy and willing to invest in unique designs. 34. Camping and survival gear. Potential profit $10,000 or more per month. The camping and survivalist market is a steadily growing niche. People are investing in gear that will not only make their trips more comfortable but also ensure they can handle emergencies. Survival kits, camping accessories, and wilderness-themed apparel could all do extremely well in this niche. 35. Personalized baby gear. Potential profit $7,500 per month. Parents love to show off their little ones, and personalized baby gear is always in demand. Create custom onesies, baby blankets, or even personalized toys with cute, quirky designs. Parents are willing to pay a premium for items that can be unique and sentimental. 36. Custom drone accessories. Potential profit $9,000 per month. The drone hobbyist community is growing rapidly, and they're always on the lookout for cool accessories. Design personalized drone skins, drone bags, or custom decals that will help drone enthusiasts stand out. A well-designed product could turn into a hot seller in this rapidly expanding niche. 37. Yoga and wellness apparel for men. Potential profit $8,000 or more per month. While yoga gear for women is everywhere, men's yoga apparel is still underdeveloped. Create designs that appeal to male yoga practitioners, meditation lovers, or those into strength training. The men's wellness market is a huge untapped opportunity. 38. Tiny home lifestyle gear. Potential profit $10,000 per month. The tiny home movement continues to gain momentum as more people downsize to embrace a minimalist lifestyle. Create designs that speak directly to this growing community, like customized storage solutions, compact home decor, or eco-friendly lifestyle products that cater to tiny house owners and fans. 39. Custom workwear for tradespeople. Potential profit $7,500 per month. Every tradesperson needs durable, functional clothing, but why not make it unique? Custom workwear for plumbers, electricians, construction workers, and carpenters can become a profitable niche. Add personal touches or professional slogans that cater to the specific needs of each trade, and you'll build a niche customer base. 40. Vintage road trip apparel. Potential profit $6,000 per month. Road trips are a beloved American pastime, and people love to collect memorabilia. Design retro road trip apparel, custom car decals, or vintage maps for people who want to commemorate their long drives and explorations across the country. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Before you dive back into turning your side hustle dreams into reality, I want to remind you, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom.